Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by assembling three core numbers: GDP at market price, total indirect taxes and subsidies, and depreciation. Get GDP at market price from the national accounts. This is your starting aggregate. Next, compute net indirect taxes by subtracting subsidies from total indirect taxes. Finally, record depreciation as consumption of fixed capital. Once done, you have the required inputs to remove tax distortions and adjust for capital wear. So make sure the figures are for the same accounting period and you now transform market measures to factor cost. Subtract net indirect taxes from GDP at market price to get GDP at factor cost, because taxes inflate market prices while subsidies depress them. Once you have factor cost, subtract depreciation to remove capital consumption. This yields net national product at factor cost. Make sure every item uses the same price basis, nominal or real, so you are comparing apples to apples. If working with real values, confirm the deflator or base year used and adjust accordingly. To finish, convert NNP at factor cost back to market price by adding net indirect taxes. This restores the market valuation while keeping capital consumption removed. Present the final NNP at market price with clear labels, currency, period, and whether values are nominal or real. If numbers look off, first check for mismatched accounting periods and inconsistent price bases. Also verify that indirect taxes and subsidies are defined the same way in your sources. Once corrected, your NNP at market price is ready for analysis or reporting.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.